Home of water, the source of all life. Neidong National Forest Recreation Area is blessed with dense, leafy forests and babbling creeks. Its magnificent waterfalls and proximity to the greater Taipei area make it an ideal place to steal away from reality for a few hours. Drive out of Taipei along Route 9A via Xindian towards Wulai, and you'll reach Neidong National Forest Recreation Area in Xinxian Village, Wulai Township. At between 230 and 800 meters above sea level, the forest lies alongside the densely wooded Nanshu Creek Valley. The air is high in humidity, and this moisture gives life to myriad animals. And the dense subtropical broadleaf forest where they live. The rich forest ecology is worth a visit at any time of the year.
Welcome to Neidong National Forest Recreation Area. It's good and moist around here, and that's the kind of environment we like best. You can hear our noisy croaks all the way down the valley, especially during breeding season. That's why some people call it Neidong Frog Valley. If you come to Frog Valley, don't forget to enjoy the outstanding natural scenery and magical resources here, as well as listening out for our calls.
Pick up a guide at the ticket booth when you enter the forest recreation area. This handy leaflet gives you an idea of the facilities and route the reserve. Most of the routes around Neidong National Forest Recreation Area are hiking trails due to the area's topography. The hiking trail is wide and flat. It meanders along the bank of Nanshu Creek and takes about 30 minutes one way. As well as the beautiful valley scenery, you'll also see Wusha Creek waterfall. The Taipower Lohao Dam, Neidong Waterfall, and other sites. The forest bath trail that connects with the hiking trail takes you above the waterfall. The forest here is older and the trail is tougher. As you enter, your eyes meet an expanse of flat ground, the tree-shaded hiking trail. Up a slope to the left, the forest is green and dense. The plants beside the trail are mostly damp and shade-tolerant species. Begonia formosana extends along the trail, often greeting visitors with dancing purple-pink flowers. To the right, the forest thins to reveal fallen rocks and the rushing Nanshu Creek. Not far along the trail, you'll see the spectacular Wusha Creek waterfall splashing down from the rocky hills beyond Nanshu Creek. From the viewing platform, as you watch the white curtain of water crash into the pool below, you can't help but feel transported to another watery world. Walking slowly along the creek bank, you hear the sound of gurgling water mingled with bird and cicada calls. Listen to nature's music and look up at the dappled sunlight coming through the leaves. Cleanse your spirit in the greenness and inhale deeply the forest's oxygen-laden aroma. Within minutes, your city blues melt away, leaving you refreshed and relaxed. As the darkness of the forest recedes, your horizon broadens, and the Lohau Dam comes into view. This dam was constructed by Taipower to control the fast-running waters of Nanshire Creek. The creek's abundant water supply comes mainly from the mountainous, wooded watershed above. The complex layers of forest and the excellent thick vegetation mean that every drop of rainfall is conserved, creating an unending underground reservoir. Because of this, Nanshire Creek has an endless supply of clear water all year round, and the important job of supplying millions of people in the greater Taipei area with drinking water.
After passing Lohau Dam, there's a seat beside the shady forest trail where you can rest a while. If you bring some binoculars, you'll appreciate the forest beauty in more depth, and you might make some unexpected discoveries.
As you stroll along the hiking trail, a cool, moist breeze from the valley gently caresses your cheek. The valley's humidity has helped nurture Neidong's unique flora, including the layers of epiphytes on the tree trunks. To ensure they receive enough moisture and nutrients, these plants have adapted in amazing ways. For instance, the remarkable fern species Asplenium antiquum and the Pseudodranaria found in Neidong concentrate their leaves in layers to look like birds' nests. This gives Asplenium antiquum the alternate name Formosan bird's nest fern, and is a clever survival technique. If you visit in spring or summer, you'll see pretty white blossoms hanging from the branches and cliffs. These are the flowers of the wax plant. They like a warm, moist environment, and when they bloom, their delicate flowers sparkle like pearls in the forest. Ring-cupped oak and yellow basket willow, which are distributed at low altitudes all over Taiwan, form large populations here. Ringcup is a member of the Phaceaceae. It has large, interesting fruit. The nuts are highly nutritious and are eaten by forest animals, both large and small. The seeds of yellow basket willow are dispersed by the wind. Ripens in autumn, the seed has 3 membranous wings, rather like a toy helicopter. It takes to and can life cycle wherever the wind takes it. Before arriving at the waterfall area, you'll hear the crash of water. Magnificent, ever-changing Neidong waterfall is ahead. Neidong Creek is an upstream tributary of Nanshire Creek. Near the confluence, the riverbed drops suddenly. These conditions